Hey everyone, and welcome to our guide on AI, featuring the powerful tool known as ChatGPT by OpenAI. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that can hold conversations, generate creative text formats, and answer your questions in an informative way. ChatGPT is capable of generating human-like text, whether you're a developer, a curious enthusiast, or just someone you're in the right place. Now we'll walk you through everything you need to know about using ChatGPT. First of all, you'll need to create a free OpenAI account. Go to your web browser and search chat.openai.com. To create an account, click on the Sign Up button. You can use your email address or sign in with Google or Microsoft for convenience. After entering your email, click the Continue button. Create a strong password. Again, click the Continue button. To verify your account through Gmail, open Gmail and confirm it. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the ChatGPT interface. It's clean and simple. Here's where the magic happens. We are using ChatGPT 3.5, which is free. If you want to upgrade your version to Chat 4, you see its upgrade plan. In the large text box at the bottom, type your prompt or question for ChatGPT. This could be anything. For example, I want, write a poem about a robot who falls in love with a human. Hit the Enter button, and ChatGPT will spring into action, generating text based on your prompt. If you want to edit your original prompt, go to your original prompt here. You will see Edit icon like pencil. Click it and write something you want. Then click the Save and Submit button. You will see how ChatGPT adjusts its response. After that, you can save your received result by copying it, so click on the Copy button at the bottom and paste it where you want. So, ChatGPT is a powerful tool with a lot of potential. I hope you found it informative and helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.